back to our channel.
Today we are going to give a review about the Skullcandy Indy TWS Bluetooth headphones. This is the Skullcandy Indy TWS Bluetooth headphones, and you can see, guys, this is the Skullcandy Indy TWS Bluetooth earphones box. Here you get the Skullcandy badging. You can see this, and here you get the charging port, and here there is something written, and it's the back side of the box, side, and this is also side. And guys, you can see when you open the box, here you get the white lights. This is the charging levels of the Skullcandy 2 wireless Bluetooth earphones. If this is if these three lights also blinks, that means it's fully charged, completely charged. If there's only one or two dots, then it's not completely charged. It's about 100 to like that. You get the percentages. Guys, you can see here also you get the Skullcandy badging, and you can see, guys, there you get the Skullcandy badging. That's the Skullcandy Indy thing. You can see, yeah, you can see right now Skullcandy Indy written there, and this is the Skullcandy badging. You can see this is the charging port of the Bluetooth earphones. And this is the blue mic from which you can talk. You can see, guys, and this here you get the Skullcandy. Even you get the Skullcandy badging on the earbuds. You can see there, that's the Skullcandy badging of the earbuds. And here is the speaker, main speaker, and here it's written R, that means it's the right ear earphones. And here you get the buttons from which you can control the music volume and play, pause, that this and everything. And you can see, guys, this is the left Bluetooth earphones. Here you can see this, everything same here, but there is no mic in this left earpods. You can see same everywhere. You can see, guys, here is the left badging. For now you can see, guys, I will show you how to charge this Bluetooth earphones. You have to just keep this like this. The red dot blinks, that means it's charging. And same here, you can see, wait, this is completely charged, so it's now blinking. Both are charging now. You can close it like this, it closes, and here is the dots, that means the charging levels. And guys, if you can see now, it completely closes. This is the magnetic technology here. There's the magnet here, you can see, and this it's written Indy here, and they're made in China, and model number, that's it. You can see. Guys, I will give the specifications in this video and purchase link in the description. You can go there and buy this Skullcandy True Wireless. Guys, now I will show you how to connect these Bluetooth earphones to your mobile phone. Let's get started, guys. First of all, you have to turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. One second. Turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Then you have to search for this device. You can see here Indy, it's visible. You have to just OK here with Indy, and it is connected. You can see here you get the connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining, like this, guys. And now, guys, I will show you the sound quality of this Indy Bluetooth headphones. And guys, now I will show you the quality of the sound quality of these Bluetooth earphones.